Hi guys, Leandra here. I hope all of you are doing very well. Welcome back to my channel. And at the moment we're busy with my May setup for my bullet journal. Yes, I know it's a little bit late. To be perfectly honest, I don't really keep track of time at the moment. We are all a little bit, what do you call it, confused to as what day it is, where we're at in the month. I honestly don't even know which day it is, leave alone the day of the month. But yeah, so I know we are already in May, and I'm a little bit late with my video, but at least it is here now. For my theme of month, I've decided to continue with the COVID theme or Corona theme or whatever. But this time I'm gonna do masks for my theme. On my cover page, I've given a little tribute to the people working behind the scenes, all the doctors and the nurses and everything. I know there's so much more people out there doing a lot of stuff that we don't even realize they're doing, but these are the ones that I drew. So I decided on masks because we are still, or actually to continue the COVID theme, because we are still in lockdown. Our country is releasing the lockdown in stages. Here in South Africa, we've been in stage 5 for 5 weeks. We're at home. We're not allowed to leave the house at all, except for essential purposes like food or medical reasons or things like that. We're relieved to stage 4 now. It's kind of the same as stage 5. Not a lot have changed, little things here and there, but for the most part we are still under very strict lockdown. And we are required by law now to wear masks as we go out and everything. So that's why I decided to include this in the spreads, because that's our life at the moment. And hopefully, if we're all lucky enough, we'll get through this, and then we'll have the memories of this, and we can look back on how things are currently in our lives and how we have to do things differently. So like I said on my first page, I did a little bit of a tribute to the people working behind the scenes, but the rest of the spread is pretty much just masks. So I've also included the Black Plague mask just for a little fun alternative to the everyday masks we wear. These are the ones that you see on the streets. I haven't seen one of the Black Plague yet. It would be quite funny because you get a lot of funny things out there. I've seen a couple of interesting, shall I say, face coverings already, but to each his own. And so I hope you enjoy the spread. Relax with me while we go through the drawings and everything. As you can see, it's my May memories. To be perfectly honest, my April memories hasn't been filled out that much. We've been pretty busy here at home, but everything is going good. So yes, let's see what's next. Okay, so on this page I have my mood tracker and my sleep tracker. The sleep tracker, it's gonna be the same as the other months. It goes from 1 to 12 p.m. and then after that 1 to 12 a.m. and you just draw the line or whatever you want to use, if you want to color the blocks or anything. For my mood tracker, it's going to be like a EKG line. I think it's EKG, if I say that correctly, from heart doctor, I don't know, hospital, whatever you guys, I think you guys know what I mean. Yeah, and I've shown you in pencil what it's going to look like. Every day you just basically connect the dots. I've created a dot at every interval I want to draw the line to, and then yeah, just connect it from there, correlating with the moods that I feel. Then next up I have my goals page with my habit tracker. I've started to combine these two now for the last 3 or 4 months. I'm not sure, maybe less, maybe I think about that much, because otherwise I just waste too much space on them. And then I have a little teach the kids something page included this month as well. Because we're at home the whole time, we're busy. We have a lot of schoolwork during the day and stuff like that to do, but I can actually spend some better quality time with them or whatever. So yeah, I want to. It doesn't have to be every day. It doesn't have to be structured or anything. Just if I have a little bit of an idea of something that I want to teach with them or do with them, then I can jot it down and yeah, we can maybe do it. And then my last spread is going to be my my weekly spread. My titles are masks, and it's just the little blocks. And yeah, okay, there I made a mistake. And then I've been doing a lot of open-ended spreads or things the last month or two. Usually I plan out my whole month in advance with my weekly spreads. I like both, so I'm still deciding, maybe this month I did the first spread. Maybe in the coming months I'll do the whole month again. You guys can let me know what you prefer as well, because I honestly, at the moment, I'm not sure which one I like best. I like both. I like to plan out the whole thing, and I also like the freedom of not planning out the whole thing. So yeah, it's difficult for me to decide about that. But yeah, that is basically my spreads, and I hope that you enjoy them for this month. You can let me know if there's anything you would like to see as well, and let's go to the flip through. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.